Hey there, this is Gaurav. Welcome back with another video of the series Learn JavaScript from Scratch. This is the last video on operators, that is part 4. If you will see all these 4 parts on operator, then I can pretty much guarantee that you will get almost all the concept on operators. It's not about JavaScript only. Take any language, the basic concept would be same. So without wasting any further time, let's jump right in. In this video, I'll be talking about operators classification. But before that, you should know about few terminologies, that is operators versus operands. Now operators we have already seen, right? It is kind of a special symbol that indicates what action or operation need to be performed. Whereas operands are nothing but the variable or constant on which the operator works. So let me show you one example. Let's say I'm taking one variable x equal to 10, y equal to 15, and I'm doing sum between them, x plus y. So if you look at this, where sum equal to x plus y, can you tell me what are the operators are there? Yes, you're right. So first we have equal to, that is nothing but assignment operator. Then we have plus, that is nothing but arithmetic operators. So here we have 2 operators, right? Now what about operands? I mentioned operands are nothing but a variable or constants on which operators works. So here the operands are nothing but x and y. These 2 are variable over here. Okay. Now sum is nothing but the result and var is nothing but the keyword, right? The entire thing is called as expression. In the other example also we have 2 operands, right? That is x and y. These 2 are the variable. But in case of multiplication, we have something like constant, that is also operands, that is 10 and 20. Now you should know about this concept before diving. So now let me write 3 expressions over here. You should tell me what are the difference between them. The first expression, where y equal to x plus plus. Here I am using one increment operator. In the next example, I am using where sum equal to x plus y. I am using arithmetic operators. In the third example, I am using ternary operators. You can see. Can you tell me what are the difference between these 3? Not in operator level. Let's try to understand from operands level. In the first expression, we are having only one operand, that is x, right? In the second example, we are having 2 operands, that is x and y. But in the third example, we are having 3 operands. Number 1 is condition, that is 35 greater than 30. It is nothing but an operand because it is constant. Then we have true and false. We have total 3 operands, all are constant. Now based on the number of operands that we have on which operator will work, we will divide it into 3 parts. That is unary, binary and ternary. Unary means it will work on one operand. As an example, we have increment, decrement type of logical NOT, bitwise NOT. This will work on single operand. Then we have binary, right? So most of the operators that we have in JavaScript are binary. Like we have addition, subtraction, multiplication, exponentiation, logical and or, left shift, right shift, bitwise and or, and so on. And the third one is called ternary operator. It will work on 3 operands. That is why we have the name ternary. So it is also called as conditional operators, which we have seen earlier. Now one more concept that I want to highlight over here, that is precedence and associativity of an operator. So operator precedence is nothing but the priority for grouping different type of operator with their operands. So let us look at this expression. That is 2 plus 5 into 8 minus 5 plus 20 divided by 5. Okay. Can you tell me what is the output of this? Just pause it and think about it. So are you facing any challenges from where I should start? So that is where we need precedence. So precedence is nothing but the priority that we are giving to that operator. So before solving this complex expression, we have to know the precedence of different operator. The highest precedence that we have for the first bracket. Okay. That is why 20 divided 5 will be executed first. Then we have the precedence for multiplication. Then plus, then minus. So if you will follow this approach, one by one, then you will be able to get the right output. So the right output here is 41. Now operator associativity specifies the order in which operations of the same precedence are performed. It could be either left to right or right to left. So again, see one expression. It's very simple. So we are using exponentiation over here, right? Like 2 exponentiation 3 over here. Can you tell me the output of it? Again, you're facing some difficulties, right? Because here we are having only single operator. So we don't have to worry about precedence, but we have to worry about associativity, like from where I should start, either from left to right or right to left. So here associativity of an exponentiation operator is right to left. So this is how it will be executed. In the rightmost part, we have 2 exponentiation 3, right? That is nothing but 2 to the power 3. You will get 8. And then the leftmost part would be executed. That is 2 exponentiation 8. You will get 256. This precedence and associativity of operators determine how a JavaScript expression is evaluated. Like other language, in JavaScript also we have a number of rules for different operators in terms of precedence and associativity. Here I am showing some of them. You just go and search on Google, you will get the complete list. And if you will get any complex expression, just follow this list, you will be able to get the right output. So that's all about operators. We have covered a lot on operators, right? I hope you got an idea. So still, if you have any doubt, any queries in this video or in this series, let me know by giving a comment in the comment section. So thanks for watching this video. See you on the next video. Take care. Tata. Bye-bye.